Hello everyone and welcome back today. I am excited to share with you a practical and beginner-friendly Python project, a to-do list application. In this video, I will walk you through step by step how to create this to-do list using Python. We will start from scratch, writing the code together, and along the way, I will explain key Python concept and programming techniques used in build this application. We will cover everything from creating the to-do list class, adding tasks, removing tasks, viewing tasks, to making tasks as a complete. By the end of this video, you will have fully functional to-do list application. So if you are ready to dive into the world of Python programming and build something practical, then let's get started. First, we create our main function. So using while loop, we give condition as a true. Now display first message that is choose an option. And now we create 5 options for our to-do list. So first one is add task to to-do list. Then next one is remove task from to-do list. Then view task from to-do list. And fourth one is a mark task as a completed. And our last option is exit. Now we need to take user choice, so takes input from user in the choice. So using if else condition, we check each and every choice. If choice is equal to 1, then enter the task in the list. Else if choice is equal to 2, then enter the task to remove from the list. And else if choice is equal to 3, then it is for task view. Else if choice is equal to 4, then it is for task to mark as completed. And last one, that is choice 5 for the exiting from app. And here we break. And else if wrong option is entered by the user, then display message please enter a valid option. So now we define a new class named to-do list. Now define the constructor method init for the to-do list class. Self is a reference to the instance of the class, And in this case, the constructor initializes an empty list text as an attribute of the to-do list object. Now a method created with name add task within the to-do list class. So the method takes two parameters, self and task. This method is responsible for adding a new task to the list of tasks. Using append method, we add task in the task list of the to-do list. Also, we print a message confirming that the task has been successfully added to the to-do list. Now we define another method named remove task within the to-do list class. The method also takes two parameters, self and task. This method is responsible for the removing a task from the list of tasks. So if task in a self.task, then we remove it from list and also display message that task is removed successfully. Else we display message that task is not found. Now we just created two methods, that is add and remove task. So our next method is to view the task. So now we define a new method which is view task. Now we check whether to-do list is empty. If it is not, then we display it. If self.task is not empty, then display message your to-do list. Now iterate over the task list using the enumerate function, which provides both the index and the task at the each iteration. And also start is equal to 1, so specifies that index should start from 1 instead of the default 0. So it prints each task along with its corresponding index. So our else condition will be if our list is empty, then we display message that to-do list is empty. Now we define another method named as mark completed within the to-do list class. The method takes two parameters, self and task, and it is responsible for the marking the task as completed. So if task in self.task, then we display a message that task is marked as completed. Else we display message that task is not found. Now we create an instance of to-do list class, initializing a new to-do list object. Now call methods in respective block, so we call add task method in a choice 1. Like that, we call all methods. So now we just completed our project and run it. Our project runs successfully. Now enter the option 1 to add tasks, for example to do project. Enter. Now so task to do project added successfully. Now I select option 1 and enter another task playing cricket, and it is also added successfully. So we enter another choice option 3 to view our task. Yes, it display our both tasks. Now I select option 2 for removing task. Now entering the task. So task playing cricket removed successfully. So we check option 4 to mark task completed. Enter the task. And task is marked as completed. Now we using option 5, we can exit successfully. We have successfully created a to-do list application using Python. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and enjoy building this project with me. If you have any question or suggestion for future projects, feel free to leave them in the comment below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to my channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching and happy coding.